So I was sent this by the brand to try out, and I want to do a quick unboxing video so you can see right out of the box what it comes in. You can like throw this in your bag, your backpack, your laptop bag. This is super cool. Okay, so that's the printer itself. And then, ooh, it comes with this handy dandy carrying case. And there's something in here. This is super soft. This is like velvet. I think this is the charger. Yes. So this is the charger and then an adapter. And it comes with your guide. Very detailed. I really like the graphics. I feel like it's a good guide. I've seen some really bad guides. This one looks like a really good one. And this is the paper. So they actually provide you with the paper to print. So this has wireless printing, portable printing, high definition printing. I really like that. I don't know how many come in here, but I think it looks like there's probably like 10. So I think that that's a very good starting pack. So yeah, let's see. And then this is the paper. So it looks like it's like the carbon paper. So yeah. Yep. So yeah, this is really cool. It comes with these already. And mobile printing, so you can print out from your phone. So let's see. Okay, so this is the printer. This is super compact. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is very nice. I like that it's so slim. It's very simple. I love that.